Today we are checking out a horror short film by Alter called The Other Side of the Box. Obviously, click the video, but you know I gotta put it on there, you know, just in case clickbait. Other Side of the Box. Alter. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm really gonna try to get in depth. So it's like Christmas or birthday, okay?
You're cutting that broccoli awfully short, you know?
You just keep your eyes on the sauce, sister. I got the broccoli under control.
Sister?
No,
Nice.
wait. You better believe I am not to be trifled with.
Well, God damn it, that broccoli.
You playing with a knife like that, bruh?
Oh, hey, the sauce, you cannot let it burn. Recipe says stirring constantly. I swear.
I swear.
She look good with short hair.
2-inch broccoli.
Might look better with long, but I don't know. You never know. You heard?
Disappointing 2 inches enough as it is.
You are bad. Oh, that's why I like you, I guess. I mean, all 2 inches of me.
Hold on. Didn't he just say sister? And he gonna kiss on her neck? Or is that just a joke? This video getting weirder than I thought it would be.
Well, it's not a bad 2, I guess. Maybe 2.5?
Do I hear 3?
You're getting me wet.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear.
No, Jesus, you're getting me wet.
Alright, I'll get the door. You save the sauce.
Okay, a little adult humor. Okay, I hear you. I feel y'all.
Oh, shit.
What?
It's Sean.
Sean.
What is he doing here?
I don't know.
Oh, I really don't want to
Oh, it's
see
Christmas
him.
time.
I got it.
He came all the way here. He goes, "Yeah, I don't want to see him." Like you doing nothing special. You cooking some
Sean?
bland ass sauce.
Oh, man, good to see you. This is bad. No, I was just, no. Yeah, sorry, do you want to come in?
Yeah, sure, that'd be great, thanks.
Your mom told me where you were at.
Oh. Oh.
This is a nice place.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
Mom
Where are you at
snitching.
now?
Same place.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool. Give a fuck.
I'm really sorry everything went down before.
Oh, no, you know, it's water under the bridge.
No, it's
Is she
not.
here?
Yeah, she is.
Oh, no, she's at her parents' house right now. She's decorating.
Oh. Great. Look, I just want to give you this.
Sean, you...
You want to give me a box, huh?
Can I get you a drink or something?
Give me your mom's. Let me chill. I gotta
Are you
chill.
okay?
Yeah, yes. Can you just do me a favor though?
Yeah, of course.
Can you open it?
Yeah, of course, man. Let's,
Oh, you want to see a reaction? Okay, so this might like be an honest friend that they
Open the
just went
box.
left,
The
right?
card will make sense after.
What is this plain ass box? What is this? A used GameStop thing? That box pitch black. God damn.
Alright, I don't get it. Is it supposed to...
He took off.
Hey, Sean?
I'm sorry.
Oh no.
I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Yo. What kind of friend?
What happened?
That's wild. He gave you a black box. Just told you to open it in his presence. And it's took off. That boy wild.
What's that?
Oh no.
The box.
Well, no shit. Ben? Ben.
Dang, that thing black.
Ben.
That's
I need something.
Vienna. What's it called? What's that black pitch black thing? Paint. Phantom? Something like that? Phantom Black? Well, that's a pocket dimension.
Well, that's odd.
No kidding.
Put your hand in it. Put your hand in it. Like, put it in the box and just twirl it around.
Yeah.
See if you
Where's
feel
the car?
anything. Hopefully it sounds like macaroni.
Dear Ben, I'm sorry about everything before and everything now, but I had to give it to someone. I don't have it all figured out, but I know it can't move while you're watching. Whatever you do,
Oh, they
don't
turned
take
from they
your
turned their
eyes
back
off
on
of
it.
It wants you to look away.
Oh, look at that bokeh. Oh, ugh. So how did he put it back in the box? I know he's not just gonna push on it.
Hello? Hello?
Why are you sweating?
I'm calling
What's in there? It's a hot box.
Hey, this is Sean. Leave a message.
Sean, hey, it's Ben. Look, I don't know what this thing is that you gave me here, but, call me back. Now.
Bro, I would have drove to that nigga's house, kicked down his door, threw that box under his bed, and dipped out. Cause I know where he stay.
What do you think it wants?
I don't know.
Call him again.
And when he go to sleep, I'm gonna let the box stab him.
Hey, this is Sean. Leave a message.
What do you think it wants?
I don't know.
Why is it looking at you like that?
Sean, hey, it's Ben. Look, call me
Did
back.
his face just move?
Now.
Like he just smiled or something. Was that him making it
We're
sound?
getting out of here.
He said, "Don't look away." And he gonna look away.
Rachel.
At least get a knife or something, just in case. Just in case it's fake and he just jump out the box.
We can't. We're not supposed to look away from it.
What happens if we do?
That's what we need to
Bro, that
find
comes
out.
out, nigga.
Just for a second. Okay, we need to know what we're dealing with. On the count of 3. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
He got his fingers out. Oh,
Could have been
man.
worse.
It will be worse.
What do you want?
Sorry. I'm sorry, I gotta go.
So it is talking.
Just Ben. Don't let him leave the house.
It can't move as long as you're looking at it, right? That's what it says? I'm gonna find Sean. I don't know why he did this, but I'm gonna find out. One of us has to stay and watch it.
What? No, don't leave me alone here with this thing.
It's fine. We don't even know what it is, okay? It could be harmless.
Nah, it wouldn't have been harmless if he dropped it off and took off.
I've been smoking flower for a long time.
I've been smoking flower for a long time. Oh god.
Sean said
Not let you leave the house, that's exactly what it wants. Just be quick.
Why don't you stay and she go get him? But I guess she doesn't want to see him either, so it's like a little.
Hey, this is Sean. Leave a message. Hey, this is Sean. Leave a message.
Oh, they really doing this. He put the camera right there. Oh, somebody recording him. Okay.
Leave a message.
Sean, answer the phone.
I don't put no couple $100 camera on the road like
I
that.
don't know why you did this, but I'm
You
gonna
got
find
snatched
out.
up.
And told us what you said. I don't know what I could have possibly done.
What are you talking about?
Sean, why haven't you been answering?
What did you just
Why
say?
haven't you been answering the phone?
No, you just said it told us what I said.
Yeah, it spoke. Or echoed. It told us what you said.
What I said. What do you mean? Who's us?
Come on about me not leaving the house.
Ben, I didn't tell it to do anything. I didn't even know it could speak.
So why'd you
Sean,
give it
what's
to me,
going
bro?
on?
I'm not even gonna use bro no more, yo.
It's lying to you. I don't know why, but it lied to you.
Why did you give this
About
to
what?
us?
Us. You keep saying us. Who's us?
Us, man, me and Rachel.
She was at the house. Ben, where are you right now?
She was at the house.
No. You have to keep your eyes on it.
I know, Rachel's watching it.
No, Ben, you! God damn it, I gave it to you! You have to keep your fucking eyes on it!
Probably.
Ben, don't go back. Don't you go back there!
How the hell? What? How you gonna tell me to do this and don't do that, but do this at the same time, bro? And you left me the box. I'm putting paws on you, bro. I'm punching on guy. Next time I see him, I'm punching on. Hey, why is it wet? Oh, the dude in the box is wet. Why's the water running? Man, don't you do it. She's dead, bro. She is dead.
Rachel?
Yeah? What's up?
Where's the box?
Where the power at? That's what the real question. Bro, why you? Yo, the light on behind you. So why can't you turn the basement light on? What's going on here? The switch. What's that? Rosary or something? Okay, it do work. Alright. Bro, don't go in there. What are you doing? Just turn all the water on. All that conversation. I can see mood is coming.
I see you.
Is that her?
I see
Or is that him? He's already out the box. I don't even matter. Oh, you turned away. You just turned away, you dummy. He just wanted to take a shower. Bro just wanted to take a shower. Let him take a shower. Go upstairs. Oh, that's why she couldn't beat him. That is creepy. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. We would have charged 1 then 5. Oh, he turned the light off. Oh my god. Charge. He should have charged him, blitzed him. Dang. Alright, man, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I like that one. If you guys have any reactions or videos you want me to see, let me know. But in that situation, I already said what I would do. I would have came to his house, kicked down his door. I would have been punching on guy because he was home when I called him. He was home. And he didn't even come back to help him or nothing. That'll be part 2. If I made it, he'd be coming back to help him. But he already said, fuck him. He left the box with him. So I guess not. This is Aruggamuffin. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, let me know. And my God.